This is the Squarespace editor mode with admin access. In Website, click on Pages, you'll see your website navigation structure. Main navigation displays the main visible pages in the navigation bar. Not Linked contains other pages that are hidden from the navigation. Click and drag to switch up every page position in the navigation bar. Or you can hide a page in Not Linked section. You can switch between desktop and mobile view. Or view in full screen without the editor mode. This is how your website will look in a browser. Click on the brush icon to access to site styles. This area allows you to define site-wide style, and create a consistent look throughout the whole website. Thank you for watching.